Breakfast isn't just a meal, it's the fuel that jumpstarts your day. After hours of rest, your body craves nourishment to replenish energy levels and sharpen your focus. But not all breakfasts are created equal. While sugary cereals or pastries may be tempting, choosing nutrient-rich foods can keep you energized and focused for hours. Today, let's explore 5 powerhouse breakfast superfoods, delicious, nutrient-packed options that support everything from sustained energy to better concentration, weight management, and overall wellness. Whether you're reaching for a stronger start, a balanced boost, or a brain-boosting meal, these morning superstars have your back. Let's dive in. Number 1. Oats, oatmeal. First on our list of breakfast superstars is oats, a true powerhouse for health and energy. Packed with soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, oats work wonders for your body, helping to lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and keep blood sugar levels in check. But their benefits don't stop there. This fiber also nurtures beneficial gut bacteria, acting as a prebiotic and offering antioxidant support. One of the biggest perks of oats? They're incredibly filling. Thanks to their slow digestion, a hearty bowl of oatmeal keeps you satisfied for hours, reducing the temptation to snack before lunch. In fact, research shows that people who start their day with oats tend to feel less hungry and consume fewer calories at their next meal compared to those who opt for processed cereals. If you're aiming for sustained energy and smarter appetite control, oats are the perfect breakfast companion. Nutritionally, oats offer more than just fiber. They also provide important minerals like magnesium, zinc, and B vitamins. And they're naturally gluten-free. Just ensure your oats are certified gluten-free if you have celiac or sensitivity. This nutrient profile makes oatmeal a fantastic fuel for your heart, digestion, and even your muscles. How to enjoy. Oats are super versatile. Cook up a comforting hot oatmeal and top it with fruit and nuts. Or prepare overnight oats by soaking them in milk, yogurt overnight for a ready-to-eat morning meal. You can even blend oats into smoothies or use oat flour in pancakes. For example, mix oats with yogurt and berries for a parfait, or sprinkle them into a smoothie for extra fiber. However you serve them, oats are an easy, budget-friendly superfood to elevate your breakfast. Number 2. Berries. Our second breakfast superfood is the berries. If you're looking for a naturally sweet and refreshing way to start your day, berries are an unbeatable choice. Whether it's blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, or blackberries, these vibrant fruits pack a powerful nutritional punch. They're light on calories but rich in fiber, making them the perfect combination for keeping you full while supporting digestion and maintaining steady blood sugar levels. Beyond their satisfying texture and flavor, berries are bursting with essential nutrients, especially vitamin C and potent antioxidants. Among these antioxidants are anthocyanins, the compounds responsible for their striking red, blue, and purple hues. These natural defenders help combat inflammation and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain cancers. So, every time you enjoy a handful of berries, know that their colorful goodness is working behind the scenes to nourish your body and protect your health in the most delicious way. Research suggests berries can benefit your brain health as well. The antioxidants in blueberries and other berries may help fend off age-related mental decline by reducing oxidative stress. And let's not forget, they're just tasty. Using the natural sweetness of berries can help you cut back on added sugar while still enjoying a flavorful breakfast. How to enjoy. Berries are incredibly easy to incorporate. Toss a handful of blueberries or strawberries onto your oatmeal or cereal. Blend frozen berries into a morning smoothie for a frosty, antioxidant-rich drink. You can fold berries into pancake or waffle batter, or simply mix them into Greek yogurt for a quick parfait. Even on their own, a bowl of mixed berries makes a refreshing side to eggs or toast. When berries aren't in season, frozen berries are a great alternative. They're just as nutritious and perfect for smoothies or thawed as a topping. However you enjoy them, berries add color, sweetness, and a big nutrition boost to your breakfast. Number 3. Avocado. Let's talk about the mighty avocado, a true breakfast powerhouse. Though technically a fruit, avocados stand out for their rich, heart-healthy fats. Packed with monounsaturated fats, the same beneficial type found in olive oil, they help improve cholesterol levels and promote cardiovascular health. Beyond healthy fats, avocados are a great source of fiber, which, when combined with those fats, can support HDL, good cholesterol, while improving LDL quality. Studies even suggest that eating just a couple of servings of avocado per week may lower the risk of heart disease. Another standout nutrient? Potassium. Many people don't get enough of this essential mineral, which helps regulate fluid balance and maintain healthy blood pressure. In fact, gram for gram, avocados contain more potassium than bananas. They also provide vitamin E, B vitamins, and folate, making them a nutritional powerhouse. And here's a bonus. The healthy fats in avocados enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins from other foods, making every meal even more nutritious. A delicious, creamy addition to breakfast. Avocados truly deserve their superfood status. Number 4. Eggs. Next on the list is eggs, nature's perfect little powerhouse, bringing an impressive lineup of nutrients to your breakfast plate. Packed with high-quality protein, they help build and maintain muscle while keeping you full and satisfied. Research even shows that starting your day with eggs instead of cereal can curb hunger, leading to fewer calories consumed at lunch. So, if you're looking to manage your weight or avoid that dreaded mid-morning slump, eggs are a smart choice. Beyond protein, eggs are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. The yolks are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that support eye health. Think of them as fuel for your vision. They also provide choline, a key nutrient for brain function and metabolism, alongside vitamin B12, vitamin D, selenium, and iron, all of which contribute to overall wellness. And despite past concerns about cholesterol, modern research confirms that moderate egg consumption is safe for most people and may even offer heart health benefits. Whether scrambled, poached, or hard-boiled, eggs are a nutrient-dense staple that deserves a spot on your breakfast menu. How to enjoy? Eggs might be the most versatile breakfast food. Try them scrambled, poached, or sunny-side up, alongside whole-grain toast. Make a veggie-packed omelet for a dose of greens, or boil a couple of eggs in advance for a quick grab-and-go breakfast. You can also pair a fried or poached egg with avocado on toast. 2 superfoods in one. With their mild flavor, eggs complement countless ingredients. Think sautéed spinach, tomatoes, or a sprinkle of cheese and herbs. However you like them, eggs are an easy way to add protein and important nutrients to your morning routine. Number 5. Greek yogurt. Last but certainly not least, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is the ultimate breakfast upgrade, creamy, satisfying, and packed with nutrients. Unlike regular yogurt, it's strained to remove excess liquid, leaving behind a thick, protein-rich powerhouse. A typical 150-gram, 5.3 ounces, serving delivers around 15 grams of protein for just 90 calories, making it an excellent choice for staying full and supporting muscle health, much like eggs. But the benefits don't stop there. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of calcium for strong bones and contains essential B vitamins like B12. Perhaps its most celebrated feature is its probiotics, live beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacteria. These tiny microbes play a big role in keeping your gut healthy, aiding digestion, and even supporting immune function. Interestingly, research suggests that a well-balanced gut microbiome can have a positive effect on mental health and cognitive function, meaning your morning yogurt may be doing more for you than you realize. To ensure you're getting those gut-loving probiotics, just check the label for live and active cultures. With its perfect balance of protein, nutrients, and digestive benefits, Greek yogurt is a true breakfast essential. How to enjoy? Greek yogurt can be a breakfast game changer on busy mornings. Enjoy it plain or with a drizzle of honey if you need a touch of sweetness. For a quick parfait, layer yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of nuts or granola. You can also blend Greek yogurt into smoothies for extra creaminess and protein. Another idea: use it as the base for overnight oats. Mix with oats and let sit overnight, which yields a thick, ready-to-eat oatmeal by morning. Greek yogurt can even substitute for less healthy spreads or creams. Try it on whole grain toast with a little fruit, or use it in recipes as a protein-rich replacement for sour cream. However you take it, Greek yogurt is a versatile superfood to keep in your fridge. And there you have it, 5 amazing superfoods to supercharge your mornings and support your health. Let's quickly recap. Oats are loaded with fiber that keeps your heart and digestion in top shape. Eggs bring high-quality protein and key nutrients to keep you full and focused. Berries offer a sweet burst of antioxidants to protect your cells. Greek yogurt gives you a double win of protein and probiotics for gut health. And avocado delivers heart-healthy fats and essential vitamins to fuel your body the right way. Individually, these foods are nutritional powerhouses, but the magic really happens when you start combining them. Think oatmeal topped with berries and a sprinkle of nuts, or a slice of whole grain toast layered with avocado and a poached egg, served alongside some Greek yogurt and fresh fruit. Not only are these combos tasty and satisfying, but they also set a strong foundation for a healthy, energized day. The best part? You don't have to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Just start by adding 1 or 2 of these superfoods into your morning routine. Small steps can lead to big changes over time. So tomorrow morning, skip the sugary cereal and treat your body to something better. With the right fuel, you'll feel more energized, more focused, and ready to take on whatever the day brings. Here's to better mornings, one healthy bite at a time.